welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for giving so much of love and affection to my previous short video on the song Rata Lambia. I never expected that you would love my choreography so much. Thank you so much for all those loving comments, and I had a lot of requests from many people to post the tutorial of this song. So I'm here, and thank you so much for having so much of patience for this video. And without wasting any time, I would teach you the steps of this dance. So before starting the tutorial, I want to make sure that you should know that I am posting this video from the rear camera or the back camera. So this is my left hand and this is my right hand. So to avoid confusion, I am specifying this. So let's start and learn all the steps of this video. So first we'll divide some of the steps, divide the song or the video between three parts. So from the first part, when there is a music, before starting of the song there is a short music. First we learn what I have done there. Turn back, this is your back side. In the music we have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, turn 5, then 6. Okay, repeat. Done? You will keep your hands like this, okay? Then wording starts. Teri meri galla. First I will show you the movement of the hands. Then we move towards the leg. So hand is Teri meri galla hogi mashhoor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Leg. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stretch your legs. 4, 5, 6. Okay. With hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Second. Music is done. The first is complete. तेरी मेरी गल्लाएं होगी मशहूर. करना कभी तू मुझे नजरों से दूर. It is करना कभी तू मुझे नजरों से दूर. What is the leg? 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 3 will be same. 4. What is the step? करना कभी तू मुझे नजरों से दूर. When you say दूर, your hand will be going left hand side and your leg will be going right hand side. Okay? करना कभी तू मुझे नजरों से दूर. Then किथे चलिए. 1, 2, jump. 1, 2, jump. 1, 2, 3 and 4. किथे चलिए तू, किथे चलिए तू, किथे चलिए. Good. Then we move to the next. The next part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. You have to only jump like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. जानता है दिल ये तो जानती है तू. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Then next is तेरे बिना मैं ना रहूं, मेरे बिना तू. With the, it should be synonymous with the hand and the leg. Like if the hand goes away, your leg also goes away. 1, 2, then 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2. I'll repeat from the start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done? Next is kithe chaliye. Here it is. 1. Look at the legs. 1, 2, the hand to your leg, like 1. Chaliye, you have to give a jump and then touch. Chaliye tu, kithe chaliye tu, okay? Kithe chaliye, 1, 2. See, I'll show you the steps. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Then 1, 2, 1, 2. 2 times. The next is Kaatu Kaise Rata. So look at the legs. My leg will be going right, hand will be going left. 1, 2. Okay? So 1, 2. Hand is like this. This L shape. This is moon. With a pick and dance, it's a moon. So 1 and 2. Okay? Kaatu kaise rata. In a fast movement. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kaatu kaise rata. O savare. Stretch your legs to this angle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just a short quarter circle, you can say. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Kaatu kaise rata, o savare. Done? 1. Your hand will be going right and leg will be going left. 1, 2. Okay? Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like, hi, Java. That is the step. So this is 1. Hand will be like this. Leg will be towards the left, and your hands will be towards the right side. So 1, 2. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Kaatu kaise rata, o savare, jiya nahi jata. Okay? Sun. Come to forward. So, sun. Turn. Okay? Sun. Turn. Bav re. नजर उतारते हैं ना जैसे, we have to do like that. 1, 2. Okay? Or the last part is, after this step, you have to do 1. Then the next step is 1. You should look diagonal. Your legs should be like this. Should be moving like this. Okay? So diagonally you will be doing like this. So 1, 2, 3. Hands should be moving opposite to each other, and your right hand or either of the hand which is facing towards upward, your face should be that side. Like 1, my hand is now here, my palm is facing upward, so my face is towards that hand. So 1, then 2, then 1, 3 times. So it is Kirata, 1, 2, 3. Then you have to jump and down. This is 1, jump like this, and again do. Here we completed Kirata, Lambeya, Re 3 times. Then Katte, again jump and tap. 1, 2, 3. Same movement. 1, 2, 3. This is 2 times. So after this step, what is the steps are 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Again repeat. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then turn and move your hands like this. Okay. Finally, we have come to the end of the video or the tutorial video. I hope that I would have explained you every steps properly. If you have any query at any step, then please comment down by mentioning the time, that in this time I'm not able to understand the steps. Please make me know that if you have any issue, and this is my first tutorial video on my channel, I should know what are my mistakes so that I can rectify. And after watching the steps, you can practice it, and then you can for more to know the expression, what is the facial expression, because that depends on person to person. A person may not know how to dance, may not know the steps, but this facial expression may be better than mine, so that depends on the person. The basic thing is that you should always keep a smile on your face while you're dancing, and you should always dance from here. The steps are not mandatory. The important thing is from where are you dancing. Is it from here or is it from here? So you should dance always from here. If you have any query, you can contact me in my Instagram handle, that is pranjal2002. If you have any query, you can just go there and you can ask me any question you want. So, and I hope that you like this video. Please keep watching my videos, my dance videos, and I hope that you would like my choreography. And if any of the videos you want me to post or upload the tutorial, then most welcome. So keep liking, sharing and subscribing our channel. And we have another YouTube channel, that is Rini Gunjan, which is related to fitness and food. That is my elder sister's video and also mine. We both use that channel also. So I'll also provide the link in the description box. Please visit there, and even you can ask any question or any query related to this cooking and fitness to my sister's Instagram handle, that is Rini Gunjan. You can go there, and whatever we can do, we are always here for you. So keep smiling, stay safe, and please like, share and subscribe and share my videos. Thank you so much.